Hi, Madam and Sir. My name is Welendi Mendoza, Filipino. My religion is Catholic. I am 35 years old. I am single. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters. I graduated college as Bachelor of Secondary Education. I have experience before as a domestic work. I worked before as a domestic helper here in the Philippines and in Hong Kong. My duties and responsibilities are gardening, cooking, washing, laundrying, car washing, marketing. I know how to cook simple Chinese dishes like fried rice, fried noodles, fried vegetables, sweet and sour pork and chicken soup. And then I love taking care children. I send it in school. I give food on time. I give medicine and vitamins prescribed by the doctor. I play with them. I read book before bedtime. My good characteristics are loyal, patient, understanding, and responsible. To my future employer, please hire me. I will promise I do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise I finish my contract. Thank you, Madam and Sir.
So why you want to come back and work to Hong Kong?
I want save money, and I want to help my parents for the better future.
How many years do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer need me, ma'am, I can, because I'm single, so I can work long time.
Okay. So you understand some Cantonese?
Yeah, simple words.
Test you some. Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Chao San.
你好.
How are you, or hi, or hello?
Hurry up.
快啲啦.
瞓覺啦.
Sleeping.
Thank you.
Toche.
Can you count the numbers also?
一二三四五六七八九十.
Very good pronunciation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.